Hello friends, welcome to KB Tutorials. In this tutorial, I am going to explain about explicit wait for a button. So here, when we are working on, let's say in this example here, I need to enter email field, then it will validate whether the email is correct or not. So this button is only displays, it only clickable if I enter this email. If I don't enter, it won't clickable. And in the middle, in some applications, they will in the backend they'll do their own verifications like is it a Gmail, is it a Hotmail, and is it actually exist in a Gmail or not. So in that time, they'll take a bit of extra seconds for this element to be available. Then we can click on it. Okay. So in this case, in that kind of a scenarios, how we can automate. Okay. So for that kind of a scenarios, we need to use explicit wait, especially for the clickable conditions. So I am going to explain you that scenarios here. Okay. So what I will be doing is I will just enter a email field, something like this. I will click on this validate. Then here, that's it. This is what I am going to do. Okay. So before clicking, I will just use explicit wait concept, especially element to be clickable. Here it is asking for the robot, so it is checking whether I am a robot or not. So in this case, I am a robot because I am using the automation. So I will be complete till here. I will be doing. That's it. So if you want this website, guys, I am going to put it in a description as well as in a link in a comment section as well. So please do check that. Okay. So here I have set the path, set property and the driver path, and I have invoked the WebDriver. Okay. Then this is my WebDriver, WD is my WebDriver, right. Then let me use that particular website, wd.get to this one, done, right. Then so I will be loading this, then I need to enter the email field. So for that, if you see here, this is the input and there were so many classes are there. Okay. So let me take this and take / input of, let me use contains method here, contains of class, this one. Okay. Okay, contains, I have not given proper syntax. Now it should be correct. Okay, now if you see here, we got the result here. Okay, so we got one result. So I have 3-4 classes here. I have just taken one class and I am using the contains here. Okay, in this email field I need to enter the data. So what I need to do here, wd dot find element by xpath, just give that selector, then use send keys to use KB tutorial, something like this. Okay, here actually our logic will start. So once I enter here, I need to wait for this button to be clickable, right. So first of all, let me write wait condition here. So will be using WebDriver wait, wd is equal to new WebDriver wait. Okay, and I will be using driver, and how many seconds I want to wait, let me give something like 50 seconds. Okay, and new WebDriver. Okay, wait together, wait. Okay, so I have created this WebDriver wait now. Okay, then using this wait, I need to identify this element, right. So let me use web element el is equal to, using the wait, that means wait dot until, so it will wait until this condition is true. Okay, using expected conditions dot, here just use, if you use this one, element to be clickable, that's it. It is asking for the locator, so I need to identify this element. My element is button of text validate, right. So I will be using this button of text is equal to validate. Simple guys. So copy it using locator means by X path and send your thing. Okay. Then once I wait, so here it will wait for maximum of 15 seconds to for the element to be clickable. If the element is can be clickable at 25th second, then directly it will click. It won't wait till the 58th second. Okay. So I'll be using click method just to see whether our control is reached till the end or not. I'll be using something called sysout done. Okay. So let me close this and run as a Java application. Since I have the main here, I am running as a Java application. Now you can see it started running, it invoked the browser. The browser will load the application, it maximized, then it is loading now. So now you can see it is KB tutorials is there. So now you can see here. Okay, so this is application is completed, but it seems like it's not clicked properly. So what I'll do is I'll just give more weight here. This is the second grade application guys, so we never know what is going to happen with this kind of applications here. So because those are some kind of a normal applications, if the standard application won't behave like that. Since I need for the demo purpose, so I have taken that particular application, but these are weird things sometimes. Now you can see it loaded, but is it clicked or not? Seems like it's not clicked. Now you can see it came properly. So so let me see what is happening. So guys, come back again. So this application is behaving weirdly. So I have taken one more click just to make sure it is clicking or not. So this is a second grade applications guys. So we can't expect everything to be perfect in this kind of applications. So I started running again. So I hope you understood the logic. The main logical part you might have understood. Maybe this thing might be little tricky. Now you can see it clicked on it properly. Okay. So this is how we can use element to be clickable thing guys. So I hope is informative for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.